Hey my beautiful people, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is a really special one because we are talking about something extra special for our little star girls. Yes, our princesses. We are diving into gorgeous lock styles for little girls and the magic of adding beads to make them shine like the stars they are. Now, I know some parents hesitate. You might ask yourself, is it really okay to lock a child's hair? Will it damage? Will it cause damage? What if they change their mind later? Look, let me put your mind at ease. Those worries are completely normal to have as a protective parent, but honestly, you can let them go. Locks are incredibly healthy for children's hair. It's actually a protective style that lets their hair grow without the constant pulling, daily combing, and tension of heavy extensions. And if they want a different look when they grow up, locks can be unraveled or cut into a cute bob. It's not a life sentence, it's just a beautiful chapter. Now, if you're wondering, why should I go for locks? Because styling kids' locks isn't just about maintenance. It's a beautiful bonding moment. It's a chance to pour love into them and teach them to love their natural hair from day one. Plus, the time you save on morning hair stress is priceless. And let's be honest, nothing says confidence like the musical sound of beats when your little girl walks into a room. Here is a quick and cute style inspo you can try on your little girl locks. You can try styling her hair into a high space bun with beads framing her face, a half up, half down look with a neat row of clear beads, or a classic side swept loaded with vibrant rainbow colors. It all depends on your choice and how you want to style your little baby. So whether you go for a playful half-up look, cute space buns, or a classic side sweep, adding beads lets their personality shine. Now, this is a quick tip for my busy parents. Let them pick the colors. Yes, it makes hair day something they actually look forward to. So, enjoy the process, protect those neat edges, and let your little girl shine bright. Because teaching them to love their hair today builds the unstoppable women of tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tell me your favorite lock style in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and tell me your favorite loc style in the comments below. See you in the next video. Stay beautiful, stay locs. Bye.